Alright, good day. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at a problem under exponential equation, which will later lead us to a quadratic equation. The question says solve 225 raised to power n minus 5n equals 20. So find n. First of all, what we're going to do here is to bring out this and let's equate it with this base. We can have 5 raised to power 2 raised to power n minus 5 raised to power n equals 20. So the law that says if a raised to power b raised to power c is also equals to a raised to power b c. So therefore we have 5 raised to power 2n minus 5 raised to power n equals 20. Then since we can have this as also as 5 raised to power n raised to power 2, so that we have same as this minus 5 raised to power n equals 20. So it's now left for us to represent, let 5 raised to power n equals z. Let 5 raised to power n equals z, and let's make this equation 1. Let's make this equation 1. So we have z square minus z equals 20. Z square minus z equals 20. So we're going to make this a quadratic equation, and we have z square minus z minus 20 equals 0. That's equation 2. That's equation 2. Let's continue. So we're going to find the factor which will give us minus 20z square, or z square if we add it up together, and if we multiply it, it will give us minus 20z square, and that factor is 4p and 5p. 4p and 5p. So this one will be minus 5. So let's get started. Z, we open a bracket. Let's open a bracket now. Z. Let's open a bracket now. So we have z plus 4, and we have z minus 5 equals 0. So for z plus 4 equals 0, therefore the value of our z will be minus 4, and for z minus 5 equals 0, therefore the value of our z will be 5. So these are the value of z. And don't forget our equation 1, which says let 5 raised to power n equals z. 5 raised to power n equals z. Since minus 4 cannot give us value that will satisfy equation 1 above. Then we go for 5. We go for this. So from the equation I will say let's okay, let me rub this off so we can have more space. So from the equation that says let 5n raised power n equals z. So since we're making use of the value z equals 5, so 5n equals 5. So there's a figure here which is always 1, but it's not always visible because it is 1. So let's just put it there. So let's see this. The law that says if a raised power b equals a raised power c, this can be written as b equals c. So therefore n equal to 1. So the value of n here is 1. Thank you for watching my video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button so as to notify you when I drop another video. Thank you.